you're working a 9-to-5 role, looking to generate an extra income through property, this video is for you. You might be in a situation where you're fed up of your income being kept, or you might be in a situation where you need extra cash to supplement your bills because you're just getting by each month, living on paycheck to paycheck. You might be looking to escape your 9-to-5 red race, or you may want to start your journey to create financial freedom for you and your family. No matter what the reason is, you are in the right place. I'm about to share with you how you can secure your first Airbnb property in the next 30 days, or you get your money back. That's crazy. I know that's what you're thinking. Or even impossible. I don't have cash to buy a property. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't need large sums of money. That's not the business model I'm sharing with you. I'm talking about generating an extra income using a property you don't own but control. You will be operating the property as a serviced accommodation by agreeing a lease with the landlord. That way, you don't have to lay out large sums of money to achieve that. You need to understand the ins and outs of how this model works, and this is what this video is about. I'm sure you're wondering, how is this guy qualified to share this advice with me? Hi, my name is Thabo Nhlingano, and I'm an Airbnb super host and your property coach. I'm the active operator and founder of a company called Love Your Stays, which boasts a portfolio of 6 owned properties at a value of just under £2 million. We also lease 6 other properties from landlords using the model which I've previously mentioned and which I'm going to share with you. Here are some examples of me collecting keys and refurbing the properties, as you can see, and these are some of the examples of the Airbnbs which are on and also rent out from landlords. I've always been looking for ways to escape the 9-to-5 red race. Properties seem like the most efficient way to build a life of time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. My story isn't a story of hardship turned to victory. It's an everyday tale of an extraordinary man embracing extraordinary opportunities. And now I'm giving you the opportunity to learn all the secrets, how I've done this, and how you can do exactly the same with the 10-day Airbnb crash course. I will be by your side every step of the way to guide you. Before I get into detail of how you can sign up, I need to talk about why you haven't found the right vehicle to add an extra income so far. Over the years, I've spoken to hundreds and hundreds of who feel stuck in their 9-to-5, desperate to add an additional stream of income, but haven't found the right vehicle to make this happen. There are 4 typical reasons for this. And reason number 1, they have no idea where to start. The amount of online make money schemes available, they are so overwhelming. So they get overwhelmed with these things and end up not taking action and not doing anything. Reason number 2, they don't know who to trust when it comes to online opportunities. It's either they've been banned in the past or are reluctant to invest any more money, even though they have a strong desire to make an extra income. Reason number 3, they believe that to get into property, they need a large sum of capital, so they don't even consider it as a viable option. Reason number 4 is fear, which to me stands for false evidence appearing real. Any of this sounds familiar? I've personally given many online opportunities a go. Hands down, the best models I've had success with is the Airbnb model. There is no other business model compared to it in 2024. Give yourself a moment to think about the impact of securing your property in the next 30 days. It's time to allow yourself to think about how will it make you feel and how will it change your life and your family's life if you secure your first property. The group which I'm going to share with you is housed in a platform called School. The group is called Airbnb Mastery Blueprint. As you can see, these are some of the members which are in the group, and the group is getting full already. Once you join the group, you will find 2 programs in it: the Airbnb 10-day crash course and the Airbnb Mastery Blueprint. This video is for the 10-day Airbnb crash course, which will equip you to secure your first Airbnb property in the next 30 days, or you 100% get your money back. The Mastery Blueprint is by invite and application only. And all the links to join are around this video, or go to my YouTube channel, you will find the links there. So these are some of the snippets of the program. You can see the course is very intensive and very loaded. In this program, I leave no stone unturned. The benefits of putting into practice what you will learn in the 10-day Airbnb crash course are: number 1, you will secure your first property in the next 30 days, or you get your money back. You get access to a step-by-step process that maps out exactly what you need to know. There is no guesswork involved. You can earn an extra income of around £1,000 to £2,000 a month profit. If you go through the training and you implement everything I suggest and you don't secure your first property, I've mentioned before, I will refund your money. So there is no risk to you or whatsoever. If you have got this far, I assume you're interested. Now you have 2 options. Forget about this video and go back to how life was before, or invest £100 to learn what's taken me years to understand and begin your journey to earning that extra monthly income. Remember, I am the living proof of what I share in this course. I have got 6 properties from landlords using this model, and I've also bought properties worth about £2 million using this model. So your next step is to hit the button in this video and get inside the crash course. Pay your £100 and follow all the steps around this video. It's that simple. I will see you on the inside. Thank you.